Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best accessories for your Anki Vector robot, the Hermitshell hard travel case. If you've ever worried about protecting your precious robot, this is the solution you've been looking for. Let's get into the details. First off, this is not just any travel case. The Hermitshell hard travel case is designed specifically to fit the Anki Vector robot, so it's a perfect match. Made from durable EVA material, it offers top-notch protection for your device against bumps, dents, and scratches. Whether you're traveling with Vector or just storing him at home, this case ensures your robot stays in pristine condition. The case's outer dimensions are 6.8 inches by 5.6 inches by 3.8 inches, which gives it a compact and lightweight feel without being too bulky. At just under 10 ounces, it won't add any unnecessary weight to your bag. It's the kind of case you'll be happy to carry around. And with its sleek black design, it doesn't scream gadget storage. It's understated and stylish, perfect for anyone who likes to keep their gear neat and tidy. Inside, the case is molded to snugly fit your Anki Vector robot, keeping him secure and protected. The material used feels solid and reliable, offering peace of mind that your robot will be safe no matter where you go. This case is all about offering functional protection without sacrificing convenience. One thing to note is that the case comes alone, so the Anki Vector robot and accessories are sold separately. But that just means you get a tailored case that perfectly fits your robot without any extra, unnecessary space. This product has garnered solid customer ratings, with many noting its practical design and how well it fits the Vector robot. It's clear that this is a must-have for anyone who owns a Vector and wants to ensure its longevity. Plus, the simple yet effective design makes it easy to carry or pack away when not in use. In summary, the Hermitshell hard travel case for the Anki Vector robot is an excellent investment for keeping your robot safe while on the move. It's practical, durable, and designed with the Vector in mind. If you're looking for a reliable storage solution, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest product reviews here at Product Critique.